Hey guys, it's Jen and Pat here. We are going to clean the inside of my window because it is gross. We are going to put to test Jax Wax, which we got in our petrol box, and Windex that I got from the dollar store. Let's take a good view of the inside here. You can see it's gross.
Can't see while you're driving at night?
No, everything you see right now is from the AC Delco foaming wash. All this here, everything here fogs up. It's definitely not fun for driving. So Pat's got the window taped off, and we're going to spray one side on this side here at the Windex and this side here at the Jax Wax. Jax Wax also comes with the chamois, which we have a wash side and a dry side, and we have paper towel for the Windex. So we're going to see which is more budget friendly. All right. So I'm not going to spray the window directly because I don't want it all over my dashboard.
It actually says on a bottle to spray the window directly.
Does it?
Yes, it does.
Most of them don't. We've got it off for now. It's 2 different spray settings. Oh, it's not too bad.
No.
Nice controlled spray.
Jax Wax.
And the side's a little bit more rough, so I'm going to use this to wash. And the other side's a little bit softer, I'll use that to dry. Minding you, I have to keep an eye on my banner because I don't want to move that at all.
Your best bet for your banner is to start on the banner and work your way off of it.
Work its way off? Okay, Pat. Never had to deal with this before, so...
Me either.
Fortunately, we do a video of the banner, but Mike helps us with that one. Shout out to Mike.
Shout out to Mike.
Shout out to Mike, your windshield wash stuff sucks.
Aw. I think his stuff works. It just, we had a lot of soapy
residue.
Yes.
But it did not come off at all, and my whole window fogs up now. I never used to.
Okay,
so
then you flip it sides.
Find a dry corner, nice soft dry corner, and start drying.
Watch the banner.
Definitely watching the banner. So it's not all coming off right where the banner is. It's where all the soap was. I notice it is a little bit streaky compared to some of the stuff that I was using before. But that's not bad at all. Get right here in this corner.
So Jax Wax, we got in a petrol box. Jen already said that, I'm guessing?
Yep.
You.
Thing is, we're not going to know how great this is until we start driving at night, because one of them, the issue I have with the AC Delco, other than the fact that our windows are streaky as heck, is the fact that it fogs up really bad at night. That actually looks a lot better than what it did before.
Now I can take your car out of accessory.
Yeah. We have it on accessory because I had my window open.
So now are you going to switch seats? I would.
Yeah. It's easier than trying to reach.
Go by the back. So now Jen's gonna try. You can actually tell there's a small difference already.
Where'd the Windex go? Oh, it's in. Did you shake the Windex?
No.
Got a hint of Jax Wax?
I got it right here.
This Pat does have the Windex. So that's the Windex I got. That was $4 at Dollarama. Let's see how well this does. This one only has on and off switch, so you can't make it a more controlled spray, so it's a little bit more everywhere.
Which is not cool.
It smells a lot stronger than the Jax Wax.
Mm-hmm.
That traditional Windex smell. But it's drying as I'm wiping, and it's definitely clean. Cleans a lot easier.
Mm-hmm.
Mind you, it does stink a lot.
Yes, it does.
This is one issue I have with my Subaru, is this here. Trying to wash the window behind it, it's a little bit tricky.
The trick to do it, as Chris Fix says, is you put the paper towel or the whatever your chamois in your hand. You face the back of your car and you wipe it backwards.
Yeah.
That's the trick to it. You don't have to do it. Don't worry about it. It's just... Okay, so now I'm going to give the camera to Jen. We're going to take away the green tape and see what happens.
See if there's any difference. For the most part, it looks the same. Kind of choking on the smell of Windex here. Oh, you can see in the middle. That's so gross. I'm probably going to hit it with the Windex just because I noticed a lot of the foam, like the fogginess on the other side is starting to come back. Don't know if it'll pick it up on my camera here. Yeah. See, I cleaned all that and it's all starting to come back. So I think Windex might be the win. As much as it stinks, I think Windex might be the win.
Okay.
That window's starting to fog up again already, at the bottom especially. And this one's not. Mind you, the Jax Wax doesn't stink like the Windex at all. It cleans a lot easier with the Windex.
No, that's why Windex has been around forever and ever and ever and ever, and Jax Wax has been around since. I don't know. Since jaxwax.com. America. So yeah, just as I make sure you have a clean glass towel for use with Jax Glass Cleaner. A towel saturated with other chemicals, waxes, etc. will reduce the performance of any glass cleaner. Spray Jax Glass Cleaner directly onto the glass surface you're cleaning. Wipe surface thoroughly with glass towel to remove dirt, streaks, etc. Flip your glass towel to dry side to remove any excess glass cleaner left behind from initial wipe. Caution. Avoid contact with eyes and prolonged contact with skin. If swallowed, do not induce vomiting. Contact physician immediately. And 1-877-752-9929. They actually have a number you can call.
Yeah.
Call up Jax Wax.
It smells nice. Because there's no real strong smell to it.
Yeah.
But my whole issue was the fact my window's foggy and my window's foggy. Windex side, not so much.
So there we go. So that's Jax Wax versus
Windex.
from a dollar store.
$4. Paper towel cost me maybe $2. Jax Wax, I got no idea because it came in Petrol Box.
Chamois came in a petrol box as well.
I've never seen Jax Wax anywhere.
No.
Not in Canada anyway.
It's just American.
Yeah. But we have a lot of American products in Canada.
So
If you have a different glass cleaner you tend to use, let us know. As long as it's not AC Delco foaming glass cleaner, because that stuff did not do the trick at all. Alright guys, have a good one. Bye.